Kapalbhati Kriya. Sit in a comfortable meditation asana. It can be Vajrasana, Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana. Keep your head and backbone straight. Close your eyes and relax your body. Keep your hands on the knees in Gyan Mudra. Exhale through both the nostrils with a forceful contraction of the abdomen. The inhalation will be followed automatically by the relaxation of abdominal muscles. Take 20 rapid breaths to complete one round of Kapalbhati Kriya. Allow the breath to return to normal. This is one round. Practice up to 5 rounds. Kapalbhati Kriya has cleansing effect, so it is a good practice for respiratory disorders. It energizes the nervous system and rejuvenates brain cells. Kapalbhati Kriya increases metabolic rate and aids in weight loss. It also improves digestive tract functioning, absorption and assimilation of nutrients. Kapalbhati Kriya improves blood circulation and adds radiance to the face. Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Sit in any comfortable meditation posture. Keep your head and back straight. Relax the body and close your eyes. Practice normal breathing for some time. Place the left hand on the left knee in Gyan Mudra. Make Vishnu Mudra with right hand. Close the right nostril with the thumb and inhale with the left nostril. Breathe deeply without strain, slowly, steadily, and in a controlled manner. Close the left nostril with the ring finger and release the pressure of the thumb on the right nostril. Now, inhale through the right nostril, then close the right nostril. At the end of the inhalation, open the left nostril and exhale. This is one round. Practice 5 to 10 rounds. Begin with the equal inhalation and exhalation at a ratio of 1:1. After some time, if possible, maintain a ratio of 1:2 for inhalation and exhalation. Nadi Shodhan Pranayam ensures that the whole body is nourished by an extra supply of oxygen. It brings your sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system into equilibrium and reduces stress and anxiety. Nadi Shodhan Pranayam also improves cardiovascular health. Also, it induces clarity of thoughts and concentration. Bhramari Pranayam. Sit in any comfortable meditation asana. It can be Vajrasana, Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana. Now close your eyes and relax the whole body. Place your thumb on your ears and softly close your ears. Keep your index finger on the forehead, middle finger on the eyes, and rest of the fingers near your lips. Take a slow deep breath through your nose. Then exhale slowly in a controlled manner, making a continuous humming sound from the throat like that of a black bee. The humming should be smooth, even, and continuous in the whole exhalation. At the end of the exhalation, the hands can be returned to the knee and then raised again for the next round. The inhalation and exhalation should be smooth and controlled. This is one round. Practice 5 to 10 rounds. Bhramari Pranayam relieves stress, anger, anxiety, and insomnia. It helps mitigate migraines. This pranayama improves concentration, memory, and builds confidence. Bhramari Pranayam also helps in reducing the blood pressure. This pranayama also strengthens and improves your voice.